Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi K30s, at first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap on search pool and type fluid wallpaper. Let's get this application from the Mad Scientist. Let's open. And as you can see here, we got the first main theme of this wallpaper. It looks like that, but we can change it. Let's click here, then tap to set as a live wallpaper and tap right here. And here we got all themes of this animated wallpaper, and I'm going to show you my favorite, this one. Click yes. Then we can go back, tap, and as you can see here it is. So click to set as a wallpaper. We can apply on the home screen and the lock screen. And when we go back, you can see this wallpaper on our screen. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.